Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi Q3 S-Line 35 TFSI with the S-Stronic transmission. Now, this particular example is also finished in the optional Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork, which does really give this Q3 that unique appearance. Now, as you look towards the key features, and with this being the S-Line trim level, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the S-Line styling at the front, the rear, and also with the side profile. As well as this, you do get the chrome roof rails, chrome window surrounds, and chrome badging. Moving on now to the exterior key features, we find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Now moving down towards the alloy wheels, we find these exceptional 19-inch 5 twin-spoke design alloys, finished in the satin silver. To the side of the Q3 now, there is the rear privacy glass as well, which does keep the rear occupants in view, so as continuing this overall black and grey theme. Moving into the rear boot space now of the Q3, where we do find up to 530 litres of storage space, which is a large amount for an SUV of this size. This can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases and a few additional bags, and the boot floor is also adjustable. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a part leather interior with the additional two-tone cloth element in the centre. As well as this, there is a leather centre armrest, which is folded down to present 2 useful cup holders, and there are even Isofix points located across the back row. This is where you can easily accommodate 3 occupants, especially on the longer travels. Moving into the front now, we do find a large amount of plush materials such as leather, cloth, aluminium and gloss black. And with this being the S-Line trim, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional sporty styling, as well as the two-tone interior with the S logos. Moving above now, we do find the virtual cockpit display, in which is featured the 2 digital rev counters. The screen can also be used to access telephone connectivity, radio stations and vehicle information. Now to the centre of the dashboard, where we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which is featured the satellite navigation, as well as having access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And just below this, we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.